Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to crochet free and easy patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet new marshmallow stitch. First, you will need your selected yarn. I will use Alize Diva Baby. The link in the description box below. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 2.5 millimeters, measuring tape, scissors, optional marker and yarn needle. First, make a slip knot. Then chain multiples of 4 plus 3 for your selected blanket size. In this tutorial, I will make 83 chains. Then skip 4 stitches from the hook. In the next chain, make 4 double crochet stitches, all in the same stitch. To make the first double crochet stitches group, now you have the first double crochet stitches group. Then skip 3 chain stitches. In the next stitch, make another 4 double crochet stitches, all in the same stitch. Repeat this, skip 3 chain stitches, then in the next stitch make 4 double crochet stitches, all in the same stitch. Repeat to finish your first row. After you finish the first row, you will find 2 chain stitches, skip 1. In the last stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch. To make the second row, chain 2, turn your work, then yarn over, insert your hook behind the first double crochet stitch and make 1 front post double crochet stitch. Skip the next double crochet stitch. In the group center space after the second double crochet stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches. Then chain 2 and another 3 double crochet stitches, all in the same space. Now skip the next double crochet stitch and make 1 front post double crochet stitch in the last double crochet stitch. Repeat this in the next group. In the first double crochet stitch, make one front post double crochet stitch. In the group center space, make 3 double crochet stitches. Then chain 2, and another 3 double crochet stitches all in the same space. In the last double crochet stitch, make one front post double crochet stitch. Repeat this to finish the second row. After you finish the last group, in the last chain space, make one double crochet stitch. To make the third row, chain 2, turn your work. In the next chain 2 space, make 4 double crochet stitches group, all in the same space. Repeat this in the next chain 2 space, make 4 double crochet stitches group, all in the same space. Repeat this to finish all chain 2 spaces. In the last edge space, make 1 double crochet stitch. To make the next row, chain 2, turn your work and repeat the second row like this. After you repeat the second row, then repeat the third row, then repeat row number 2 and then repeat the row number 3 for your selected size. In 4, 1, pull the yarn to fasten off and waving ends. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me big thumbs up to see more. See you. Bye bye.